Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life burn down to the ground. If it's the first time you watch the channel, subscribe, like, share, you know what I mean, tell a friend. Yeah, so this is part 2 and the final we're carried to the end of Friends with Secret. You know what I mean? So watch to the end, leave a comment. Let's go.
Yeah, I had some band. Yeah, I had some band. Yeah, I had some band. Look how we want. Let me tell you about Jamaica. Reggae make you feel sweet. No problem in Jamaica. We keep it jamming in the street. Welcome to Jamaica, the sweet little island in the sun. And when you come to Jamaica, you see the fun can done. 7 Mile of Whites and Pandini Grill side. Link ski connection and go for a ride. Horseback riding for a sailing in the day. Then go and watch the sunset at the Rigs Cafe. Cool Runnings Water Park for the whole family. Or Dolphin Cove on the way to my bay. Or do the rafting down by Martha Bray. At Margaritaville you can chill all day. Let me tell you about Jamaica. Reggae make you feel sweet. No problem in Jamaica. We keep it jamming in the street. Welcome to Jamaica, sweet little island in the sun. And when you come to Jamaica, you see the fun can done. The curves and turn a firm gully. You're in Jamaica, so don't hurry. Don't pass the craft item vendor. You have to purchase things to remember. Ripe banana, mangoes and sweets up. And the birds singing sweet songs in the treetop. Bob Marley Museum, let's go see that. You see in Jackson record, we're gonna eat that. Let me tell you about Jamaica. Reggae make you feel sweet. No problem in Jamaica. We keep it jamming in the street. Welcome to Jamaica, the sweet little island in the sun. And when you come to Jamaica, you see the fun can done. This is the land of wood and water, where love and respect we never shatter. From anywhere in the world, you're welcome, Anna. Let me take a time out, big up every farmer. Push out the fire, make the back pile up. Can't run out of food because the day you pile up. See the duns river there, make a climb up. Emancipation Park, you can join us. Let me tell.
All the girls in the committee place and in a answer your phone. Can't go there, you know. Hello. Hello, girl, I'm there, brother.
But don't have to me out there. I'm out of guests coming in. Couldn't get no time to sit down.
So you get no tip or nothing like that?
No, really, because today first day, so I'm just walk now, but I didn't really get no tip. Oh, I didn't get no tip.
But they're nice, you know, sir. They sound like a bee's eye.
No man, they over there, so I don't want to them. I don't want to them and they over there, so
Okay, but this keep here.
my office, so people do it. Look how you come from
Girl,
there.
there's some things to write up. For the first day, they say amount of paper. They say the amount of papers the boss can throw down for my desk, right? You say, girl, you have a lot of work to do.
But look how you come from, Brittany. And look how they know.
Saying, if we never come out of the dungeon there, I'll come here so.
Not sure.
We have a better life.
Although we can go on there so till we can get something from one to buy.
Well, now do me have to do seriously, yeah.
Well, I'm tired, don't have me work there.
We need to clean up still, kind of. Feel say a housekeeper still.
Don't do it, man.
You can't clean up.
You back on work. Back on man, because I have to do, I have to wash the
So me
street
do
there.
like I'm not.
About 10 rooms clean today.
10
Really gets they nasty.
10 room. You're fire.
There's some nasty gets in there.
Sorry.
What
So we have to eat. That's how I take my work up with. Eat our work today?
Me go to canteen. That's the best thing about working at hotel.
You got a canteen, but food come to me.
But we canteen big up. Really? As soon as I go in there, amount of food that you just pick up your own food that you want.
Well, I just make a call and tell me anything what I want and just come to me.
Me get lobster. Me get pork. Pea.
That's true, I'm for me, because I can't get them something to talk. I'm never order it.
But next time you get one pan tomorrow, you get one pan.
Who do you find it? We can't, bro. Pretty good.
You know what I know you still have me out, you know. Because the landlord woman don't say, you know. But I can't really help it still. I'm back a woman around down the one king. There's something to do. But I don't know what I different though. But that is that. But they also know I have a better environment. I like the vibe and the energy. So my time is still look for me like, you know, trust me. If you see your sister talk to me, yeah, try wonder. Like a thing with that. Now one of them man they would have did a sister. I never do that, man. You understand? So don't worry about that still. Don't worry about that, man. I never do a thing like that. So what if your mind though? Come see for a night you look and you just look on the place like you're confused. What if your mind?
Come features you. And a woman has, you know what hurt me? A woman see me and a drop towel in front of you, too, you know. And I like say, you wait till me gone out on the road or something, she a drop towel. So you expect everything.
Then, in that case, I just drop the towel. She couldn't help it. It's a lady with afraid of lizards. One of the lizards jump on her, she just drop the towel on her in a pan down. Naked, but so what is that? Me not touch, you not tell me to show and give me something or nothing like that. You just too sensitive, you know what I mean? See, one thing people tell me to do when the person who are going like them jealous the most, them is the wickedest cheat of them. So yeah, judge me, accuse me wrongfully. They did not look for me and say nothing. But anyway, that is that. We have a different place now, everything good. So nobody had the insecurity. You know what I mean? So when you're a lady will go for your farm work. When I go for your farm work now, where do you pack my suitcase come with you?
Of course, if I could pack in a suitcase, every trip I go on, everyone I go, you come in a suitcase with me or in my handbag here. You
can't watch the joystick, you know. The joystick, I got Tanya for you. You know worry about it. You know, do not worry enough, you know. Right? So that's off your mind, man.
So nobody tell me if you don't watch this and not watch that. I mean, I don't know. No matter what you see me and say, you want other woman this and you woman that. You're a man your name. You don't like if you do anything and then pretend like say nothing not happen. So you can't tell me no.
So, that.
That.
Sleep. Come on, finish that discussion. Sleep. Hope you don't want nothing tonight, though. Okay, this is a bit too much.
If I want to, I can just take it.
What kind of late night, you know?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I'm hearing you. Okay. When? Yeah, that's okay. We can make that work. Sorry about that. Next week? Alright, Mom. Alright, thanks again. Alright, bye. Lady call me.
What's that?
My boss.
What's that now?
She say me get calling back next week. Me I go back over next week.
Well, that's what money in a car. We can't live in that rent house ever.
We can't live in a rent house ever. You go get rent house when me go and come back here. Just make sure say you're not ramp with me, you know. That's all I want. Make sure you're not ramp with me. Anyway, me I'll go over there to go tell my sister them. Send me out way.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, that Bobby.
How with that?
Sis.
Oh.
Brittany, what?
Hi.
You going?
Oh, yeah, I know.
I'm not come to stay long, you know. I come to tell us say, me get back on phone and look where to go back overseas for the farm work. So, by next week, me and the
Girl, I should have tonight you on the foot.
She want tonight, you more if you do for me. More you watch a piece of man over there, so me have over there, say, yeah? Come here, tell you. He just don't know how to keep. He just don't know how to keep in things. He love let you around the world. So, me all you may tell, watch it for me. Anything happen over here, call me and tell me.
Me no man watching, you know.
Anything happen. If I day you are going foreign, I left your man here, and you want me to see if no girl are coming or come out or whatsoever, and you tell me if you do it, more than do it.
Don't worry, sis. Don't worry. Me got your back. Me I watch him pick on the corner. If you go so, me I watch him. Don't worry.
Because he make me a feel better right now, no? Because if it's all the landlord see me, I go on like chief for the keke or lizard, whatever they call it. And I drop towel, you know?
Eh?
Yeah, drop towel, and then so for me, it's all gluttonous man, you know?
Eh?
And even go say, no, I should see me. No? Freak them.
Me have to laugh at this serious. I
It's
know
so
what
funny,
you
girl. Y'all laugh like it's funny. Continue. You want, and then, you know, me get me notice every time me I go left to go out the road or so, me go look for somebody. The woman always see me a picture window. Or a picture do I watch if me I go or when me I do or something. So it seems like my man or something. So that's why I never come up and so.
Hello. I think I say now come stay long. A big conversation are going on.
So she not tell me about my brother-in-law. Me
You
have to
love
watch
our
him.
business too, so that we
No,
know.
no, he is my brother-in-law. I have all rights.
People business and feel over
Me
there.
have all rights. I'm a sister man. And me I go watch him for your sister. Don't worry. And make sure you go over there go work with US dollars.
Yeah, my boss.
Hey,
me I go back over.
you have a suitcase full of US money. Don't care no
Girls in the
clothes.
bar for me.
US money.
Me I go sit
One
on one
barrel.
barrel.
Yeah.
After you just tell me something about the business.
Since me I go miss you.
I don't know me I go next week, so you see me.
Yeah.
Oh. Alright.
Later, Brittany.
Later.
Good night. for?
How much silver drop from me when I look for it?
How silver drop for you run so?
But come here, come here, and silver drop from me.
So what kind of business they have around here so? Silver can't drop for you there for me?
I'm a silver drop me, so I have to come and silver.
Come 1 year before me call your father.
Where will you go to?
1 year
I
ago.
don't care what you do about it.
1 year before me call your father. You're too enough.
Okay.
Where pay some man, not me pay some man.
Like if you no go over there and book one friend man, you not go keep him. That's all I think, but you more people man. And them out man not nice.
Me nice in nothing but them out, man.
You not nice in them out people girl, you don't nice. You go regret in a longer rose, you stay there.
You know where I come out.
Stop it nice and do what you do. So me notice couple nights well, me can hear your footsteps them and so my time I bounce on the door so me can hear say the out there. And no my sister and no Brittany and me know say I know your father. So me want to know where you come here so I listen for. Me know say I listen to your night time. What you want? If I want something, you can just knock it on you and come and cock your ears.
Me never come nowhere to say it. The only reason I say tonight is because I silver drop from me in the road and I so and I be there look for me. I don't know what do you me have time for you?
How you talk to so?
Remember say I'm calling you today, you know.
Me not business that for me I pay money 1 year old. Right, you just know.
You watch.
Just know so.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
Atiana, Sharika sister.
Come in, man. Come in. Yeah, come on for a student there. Is she not there doing now? She not there?
Can't sleep on the bed.
You know, let's not in bed, so it's difference. But she not, but she don't work. You know what I mean? She not coming yet. You know, she love her work, you know? So I go on differently.
But there, my sister, I come look for you know. Like, how she not there, I call her.
Wait for your call her. Wait for your call her. Where are you yourself and how do?
I mean, what I do with myself? I'm not doing nothing with myself. I'm just a chillax.
So how work?
Work good.
Alright, well, they're kind of tired job because I work and them got stood after work. I try to get a big gym there, you know what I mean? Take and go do it up. You know what I mean? So it's good to know, say, your work and share work is a good family coming up. Right? Only one thing would have made this a better. At least if you're in the family all 2 or 3 times. Well, my grandfather, we come from Marintown, where of Silver City. He left a legacy because he get mother and daughter pregnant. In my life, between me and you, I feel like I should have even more than one, somebody in one family. Because my love is so much, you can share. You know what I mean? Don't know anything about that.
So, hold on. You tell me say them the dirty thoughts they have up in your head?
Hello. If we say you are your sister, there's nowhere that can be dirty. We can't have 2 clean girls. So how come it talk dirty? You can't dirty. You have a clean car, 2 clean skin sister with 1 rasta. Then call that threesome.
See, you really would look for me and I try to tell me, say you don't want to do with me and my sister. Right now, I'll call my sister.
You may say now. I joke my run. As someone joke a lot, I prank you. As someone says, if I want to be, if she prank me wicked what day, you know what I mean? She prank me wicked. That's a run prank man, a good man. But call her answer when she come for work, man. I joke around with her, man. For your sister is all I want. You know what I mean? I would have look you when I see you if I want you. I look your sister. Right? I may have a sister now. Because I'm not joking though. What kind of sister-in-law you be? I prank. You know prank? I prank her anyway now. Everything good. Call her when she come though. Because I don't want her to sleep before she come. Ask her what she there. What time she reach you.
Sharika, I want you to come home. Me on my friend now.
Alright, Tiana. You go what time she come?
But tonight, she not come to now because late night shift she left on.
Alright. She want to do that. She want to go to sleep. But when she can't make it up. Alright, so you can't just lock up that person up when I go through. Here? Never man, not ourselves man. Can't you know?
Melissa, Kim! Yes. Come here now. I mean now. The place man clean. Why put in here so up there so all over in the kitchen? You want clean. Since you're the big and bold want come scam people and go with an antics on social media, clean the house. You say no you, but me know say you come and grow you. Clean the place. That's how
me alone, mommy?
Clean the house. Don't argue with me, child. The entire place needs to be clean. And just you two, you look up in my eye. The entire kitchen. Start from in there so to in there so. The bedroom. Start scrubbing and start scrubbing the place. Rude and pasty. Look at you guys. Anyways, me go on the road. I'm not take long. Since I come back, I see the entire place. Spick and span. If not, no food for the next 12 hours. And try me. Me going on the road. And this is the punishment to be about scamming people all over. At the age of being underage, just a child. This is the punishment. I'll be back in just a few. The entire place. All these must be removed now. And stop sitting up your face. Stop it. Oh. I'll be back.
You see what you cause, you? You see what you cause? Imagine, you're gonna tell mommy say me alone. They scam people when they're in that way, even they get money off of it. Why you stay so, girl? Why you stay so? I swear me never know I say it stay.
Kim, I had the mastermind, you know. Me not say me not get money at tight. But watch ya. My mother will beat me. You know, your mother not beat you. So me have to take myself out tight.
No matter what you want to say, no, you're a sellout. Yeah? Anyways, come here back to the place before mommy comes. Because I said we can't bother the problem.
What the first away? What is it? What is it of myself? When I clean and I add mess to mess. That makes sense?
Mommy's in the cornflakes in the box.
Rubbish. Rubbish. It's a conflict. What? A conflict from there? You're very nasty. The only thing I know to do is scam people. Scam people and eat out all the food in the house. When I look at top dumpling and one chicken, you want to not eat. Yeah, try to create a problem. Every money I have, I spend it out. Because you must stop putting me in a problem, little girl. And their father, you know, my father again. If they can't catch quack, then get you short. So they can reach out to you, my daughter. I'm going to want you to reach out to me, or your so-called father. Or when you leave me still love him. Or when kick me out, I'm still first baby father, the only baby father I ever had in my lifetime. And you, clean this up properly. It's so dirty. Scrub it, man. Scrub it. Scrub it. Scrub it properly. Scrub it. But not scam people.
Yo, listen to me.
Hey, turn on. But not scam people. You, Miss Melissa, because we come in here and get me ignorant, I forget to say this to you. I saw your mother and she need you at home. Pack your things after you're finished and go. It was nice having you here nonetheless. And you, madam, inside for me. I need to talk to you. Inside the room. Do it properly, child. What's the problem with you? Huh? You like to bring down disgrace on the family.
But mommy, you know make it seem like I'm me alone in this. Melissa in the too, you know? She even collect money off it too, you know?
Excuse me, auntie. May I go down the escalator?
What good? Don't make a big toe.
Okay, auntie.
What you say now?
Melissa in there too. I know me alone.
Whether Melissa in there or not, you're my daughter. You're my child. Every parent call your child different. I don't want to properly call you. Don't talk about Melissa in there or whatever, because you, of all persons, should not have been in there. How dare you talk to me about Melissa in there? I care less. I don't care about that. What's the problem with your child? You like to bring down disgrace on the family. Huh? You don't know, say, if they can't catch pork or they catch a shot. If they can reach out to you scamming pitney, them go try to reach out to me, the mother, or the father. Although I don't like him because he kicked me out, I still respect him as my only baby father. Did you know that? You need to stop your scamming ways. Stop it. I care less. Get up the bed. Get up. And if this ever reoccurs and find out again, say you're in this mess, you will not like me as the woman who birthed you. Get out of my sight.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
No, it's not. Oh, it's not, sir. It's doctor. How may I help you?
I'm the young lady that called earlier about a patient that you have here by the name of Boy Boy.
Wait a second. You're here to see Boy Boy?
Yeah.
Okay, you're here to see Boy Boy. So what's the relation between you and him?
Sir, you know, I'm a little bonner man. So, but I wonder if I could get to see him.
Oh, so you just want to see him, you don't want any form of update?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so you just want to see him or you want some update?
Yes, doc. Actually, me want to know if the area still at work and them something, eh? You know what I mean? You know me at that boy, right? Yeah, I would like to see him and get to touch him and to see if down there is still active.
Oh, well, I understand clearly what you're asking, but that part I don't deal with it. You'd have to ask the nurse because she is the one that bade him look at it and you know, yeah, I don't deal with that part.
So sorry, I make one next man feel up him area part.
No, it's not. He's not feeling. No, you don't want that. Nothing like that. We don't. Yeah, come. You know what? Come in.
Alright, doc.
Come in.
Thank you, doc. Boy. No, you probably can't hear me, but I wonder if the thing still work though. Look like you're active. Well, I can't know. I'm going to leave a talking with a man in a coma. And me need what me need. So, I guess I have to just help myself. I can't get back off of this. So sweet, yo. Alright. If you're not going by next week, I'm going to check you.
I'm so sorry, sir. I'm so sorry. How may I help you?
I work a year named Boy Blue. The door is so hard, man. Is he awake?
The sun is so strong. You mean boy?
Yes. That same name. Yes, man, that same name. The door confused, you know? So what the update about him? Because I'm American, you know, just to wake up my yard.
Oh, boy, he's a very famous person, man. Because you're the second person to visit him, you know. Right now, he's still in a stable condition. He look like he's going to make it. But you want to come in and see him?
So tell me now that, how am I going to talk to a man in a coma? He can't go hear me. Why sense? You know, I'm saying, but just go to my yard. Don't even wake up. It's a madness right now.
No, man, don't leave. Let me tell you something. Sometime, you know, when these patients in coma and they hear familiar voice, you know, it can trigger something and they wake up. So come on in, man, come.
All right, no problem.
Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn down to the ground, right?
Yeah, afternoon, sir.
Yeah, blessed. You know, say them say over here, so boy there, why you to work for me? Me and him work the same thing. Me and him do nice same. Because I'm a co-worker then. We go and clean people place and chop down anything we chop off and deal and clean up yard and any work. We're all around that. But I run off an ear, so them find him knock out and him say yes and they can say in a coma or something like that. So them come check pan so them a deal with. Yeah, man, I want to say I'm a deal with. Yo, in car, them saying could have dead still, you know. I said they me and him do some work and he say we left early and by night them here saying he knock out and in a coma. Yo, not even know. I say I'm a deal with.
Oh, boy. It always ceases to amaze me so much people coming to visit him. I can see he must be a good person, but as I told the persons that came before, he's in stable condition, and I think he's going to make it. So you want to see him or just?
Yeah, man, check him out and see what I deal with, cause I'm a virgin, you know. Yeah, man, I see him. They made him mash up some work. Left work early, so I can't say go surprise one girl. A girl mission is saying and deal with and where this that. 9 years a boy in a coma.
Alright, come on.
Oi. You try to go to them food in this tongue, man. Come on, I wish my yard get that 1 million in there. We are thinking how much get me now. I'm not talking. 4 million, I'm not. Look, you have. But you're all $7 million. You're a jar, you know. You never rent it, yeah.
Really much on them. The father go and say, yeah, much more, but so we had to have food. Oh, the food combo. Miss it, they must say, you owe me money. Me get the crooks, me money. Me want me money. So you can't wait?
No, we can't wait. I was wait. We can't wait so long. We cannot wait so long. Come, it's money making season.
I'm not telling you, I'm not going over here. Can you match what around this up, please?
Mistake. It's a mistake. You see, I'm not how much we get the crooks already. Make me not get the money and we see what going between you and your
First thing first, I check clothes on the crop.
What is that crap?
You tell us you get the money already. You can't wait. Who is you?
Yeah, but you're people say more talk, prove not yet. The action prove it. More talk, not prove, not give no. Come, give me cash.
Yes, I'm not very rich.
Yeah, me out that gate. Alright.
Yeah, dude.
Huh?
Yeah, dude.
Damn.
Good.
You from you good. You say I'm going there now. Talk to me, man. I know you can't tell me anything, you know.
Brother.
I'm your brother.
You know, go look out for an old man off and bicycle with Rockstone up a country. I'm ever going to find how much money I know to pay back damage and one bag of same thing.
So when that happen?
Today, I don't know how I'm finding the type of money they right now. Because I'm not even work them the money there if you want.
Alright, you are going. Hold yourself. We sort out the field.
You know?
Yeah, man. I do anything for you. You know I love you already. So, how much money? That?
I'm afraid for something like that. But that's what I mean, I'll change when you get some money.
Just tell me, no, man. Any amount of money you want, you give it to you.
500,000.
But I lease, man, so I'm gonna make you have that.
But I lease. Right then, thanks.
So you get dinner and everything there already?
Yeah, I did eat something.
What you eat?
Curry.
So what am I then?
Good night.
Good night.
I'm sister.
Yeah, on this one.
Alright, thanks.
You want to say one dinner?
Of course.
Well, food done cause man run the song, I'm rent the place from money that. Money that I can scrape out the pot.
You are going to now be. You know, say, me I think about for me and you go to one place and then night I go chill out and everything because since your friend now want me here, well that's much what I mean, say, man. But me I can't go home still.
I'm going quick go.
Me call him.
Alright.
Well, I say me have to carry out one day night after there.
Alright. Anytime.
Alright.
Yeah, come on, so come out work, come on. Yeah, come on. Alright.
for a headphone, please, because my other day I can't really sleep.
What make you can't sleep? What happened?
So things happen to me when I'm get smaller and feel traumatized. Then there's a flashback in my head from the other day and I just can't sleep.
So that have to do with the headphone. Are you sleeping?
One of my friend then told me say if you listen to nature sound, it will help. One of my friend.
Yeah, but you can't use it. Just charge your phone.
Alright. Can I charge you?
Android.
Alright, thanks. I'll return it tomorrow morning.
Hello? Yo, I can't stay on the phone too long now. Because my boyfriend in the room. Yeah, so all I have to do is just set the link and if you can walk, you walk. And if you can't walk, you just let me know.
Good night.
Good night. So you come to discuss it on for?
One question I'd like to ask you. Why you not like me? You know, so if I tell you the truth, I'm a very likable person. I see out of everybody else in the house, are you my spirit take me not lie.
More spirit take. I see.
You know, yeah.
Spirit take me. I see you a tiptoe come on my door and listen. How you call that? That can't spirit take.
It was just a little misunderstanding. Like, me tell you, a silver did drop under the door and something and I immediately look for. Alright, I'm gonna be honest. You know, say, me know say me young, you know, me know say me young, but, you know, say, me like to know what people are doing at their bedroom and things. I feel like say your husband did do something in a bedroom or something, so we just didn't want to hear. Sorry about that, Steve.
Yeah, pick me. You see, any of you are going there, so you're deaf.
Anyways, I'm gonna bed go sleep. Cause tomorrow me have some SBA and things to complete and some actually me there last year at high school and something. So, good night, yeah? Me talk to you in the morning. And for your information, I will be 18 in the next 2 months. So actually, I am not a child anymore. I'm a young adult, okay? So I'm not a child anymore. Good night.
Nice try, little girl. You think you're clever enough? Me clever more than you. And me I want to try catch. I might tell you just mash up your phone too. Go find somebody else and try catch you here. I don't know where you want to try find out. try catch. I'm like, I will just mash up the phone too. Go find somebody else and try catch a here. I don't know where you want to try find out.
You get open when you want? Try get somebody else.
I must catch you someday. Good morning.
Morning.
How are you going to work?
What you watching for?
I don't watch you, but daddy always they worry about you not going to work as you notice you're not going to work from wedding and something. And they worry about how you go pay the rent and thing. But him not watch you like how me I watch you do. I don't say you have your money.
Me know why you're stinking poopa watch me, you know. Don't worry about rent. Because when month income, me sure know so no I get the rent. So don't worry about if me I go work or me not go work. Don't watch me, girl. You look up at me for me, here.
Me and my stinking poopa. Stinking poopa, not to watch you. It's alright. Remember say they in man house, yeah? Make sure say man get him paid.
You come and watch me. Me not love woman, man.
You watch it at you too, you won't be lying.
I want to this to go pick me and pick up plugs. I don't pick me nowadays, so that's why enough I want to get knocked. Watch me, man. You take up your book. I don't pick me nowadays. I'm going around here, man. Can't better for this to pick me a passport when we die with palm. So, yeah, wait for phone. Come get ready now. See if we can do one video.
Wednesday.
Watch it, you know, get up. Remember, so me I go today now.
You tell us them say I go ahead.
I don't mean you want to come back.
Tell but you come on. Okay,
Yeah. Girl, me now come back at that work. They are be stressing. Every day they want me for work. And they not pay me no good money. The OnlyFans me are there now, girl. Me I make some good money right now. Yeah, me name Golden P. Can search it up. Wait, hold on it.
Every work no last night for me.
No man. Me no man. Somebody trusted that so.
Wait. What do you like me nasty good so? Now you girl this here. Watch ya?
Mom. What on me a come? I will that. Me a come. What's that?
That nice man, yeah, just book it for me and then let me say, book it so come.
Papa and sis.
So you look in the house.
Babe, me just sit down bed, man, you know.
Oh, what time I come to now? Me I go here later. But I know where me I fly from. Me I fly from Kingston. So me I drive go to Kingston now.
Come on, sister, scared. So I'm saying again, I will check your apple for you.
Hold on, I go for a run for something and come back. Don't go.
Alright.
Babe, me I go get her money now.
Yeah, do that now. But left back our money for me, no, because you know the money to go.
Me know.
Those when go tell her to pull up a door.
Hold on, this.
What's
Just
Yeah, good guy, you know.
anything you want, just call me and tell me I'm sending you off here.
Yeah, man. Because one of the latest front wing there.
Let's something without me come back over thing that. But me I talk like money wise, for money to buy food, help pay rent and so off.
Are you did that so ago?
No? There's a door.
No, no bother. I swear I could hear somebody at the door right there, so that's all.
So why you look so?
I be in me out here, I'm here while I could shuffle me, I have to run out of the bathroom.
Remember, I put up another job too, you know.
Yeah, sis. Yeah, my sister, man. We have blood, you know. Blood thicker than water, you know, man.
Happy.
Alright.
Anyway, me know what late, so.
Yeah, man, sis.
Later. Tell Brittany bye for me.
Yeah, man, alright.
Alright, remember for tell Brittany something going on. Big me for me. Alright, later. Love you.
What? That's why you not gonna work. Watch me your backside. Me and you not here.
That door, I don't know.
Alright, now go her on there, you know.
Come for your bed.
Come here.
Come on, I sit down. Come on, I sit for your bed.
Chat, so what happened to last night? You not as much.
You say I go for you want a long distance.
Good morning again, Miss Golden Hole.
What that mean?
You blind?
Look, girl, how come I go on that? How come I get that picture?
Remember, say our internet depend Miss Golden Hole.
That's not me, first of all.
It's not you, so how this year? Oh, you have a twin now. Me, I will tell daddy.
Tell that, don't tell a father. What you tell a father say?
Say a freak in our house.
Freak? Well,
Miss
that is
Golden
not
Hole,
freak.
OnlyFans.
That is not freak. That is our work, right? You can't
That's
tell
the
a father.
work.
Okay,
Showing your body on the internet.
Okay, take time and talk, girl.
Let him take
Take
time.
time and talk. Okay. Shh. Don't tell a father, please. Just keep it a secret between us now, please. We can't pay you. We can't make this worth a while. How much you want? Can't get 100,000, girl. You see this? What me I do right now? This make me millions, alright? So don't tell a father me can pay this. You can buy one iPhone 14. Please don't tell a father. Come now, everybody know my business. You understand?
Well, that does sound like a bad idea still. But 100,000 sound like $100 to me. So, I don't want to look up on that share, please. Make it 500,000.
500?
500,000. You never say you make your millions.
Alright.
Either you have no choice, or else we show that.
No. Keep down the phone. I get ready to figure up on the line right now. In him have one client. Yeah, me I'll get ready. OnlyFans man. Yeah. So everything go differently.
Hello.
How are you doing now?
I'm doing fine. How are you doing?
Well, I'm doing my line, you know.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Me have something to tell you.
What's that now?
I don't know how to tell you. I feel excited.
You miss me?
Yes, for me, so what about that?
You want to talk about?
No, not that. Or something weird. So, I don't know how to tell you.
You want to marry me?
Yeah. No, I not that.
Oh.
Just guess.
What's your name?
Well, what happened to one I guess on him? Like, me vomit and.
The pregnant?
Yes!
God, no?
Yeah! Yes!
Oh my God. God, no?
Yes, pregnant for you.
Yo, can you know my feeling right now? God, no.
I'm so excited.
Excited too, God, no. It made me like a fear.
It made my net. Alright. A friend gave me the call and tell her, but me a try. I don't know how to tell you. But just get her up with courage to tell her tonight because we can't keep it from you because obviously if we go find out when time my belly start grow.
Like, no, this is actually your referring to.
I'm here to hurt me. You get catch fever.
Take pill and then thing there.
No, I'm not taking no pill. I'm not happened to me, baby.
No, I don't feel ready to.
No, I don't want to take no drugs and time you have a look up. You know, in the funny way you come.
It does that one.
Anyways, I don't call up to tell you because I need to go sleep. I kind of feel jealousy.
Alright,
Alright, love you.
I'll talk to you soon. Love you too.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Okay. Might I help look up? Might I go rub down my belly for me?
I will surely do that.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.
Yeah. I'm finally telling you.
Miss, good morning.
One thing now.
You owe me, you know? You didn't shake your head, you owe me.
What do you mean by me owe you? I give you 200,000 already. How come I owe you?
We not talk about that. You feel like me not see a couple nights straight? Run to your sister man room.
You sure I'm me, see? Why? You see you? You're a sneaky little girl, you know.
Where do you pay me 200,000? Well, it's because you want good customer. Me I take 100,000. You understand? Because you're a good customer and thing. You pay me my money. I make sure I get my money and thing. So, I'm going to have a little mercy upon you now. You're lucky me never charge more. So, I'm going to charge you 100,000. You understand?
Alright, 100,000? No problem. We've got to put 150 on it. Yeah. Give me phone. Fully and delete out everything out there. So don't come back to me for no more money, you know. Because if you come back to me for no more money, you're not going to get it. So I'm going to give you 150,000 this time. Make sure you delete everything out there. You hear me say? Alright. Meet me in the dust up. And don't tell nobody where you're going now. Because they love watch me. You see like how you see me? People are watching too. And you don't tell your papa. Tell him one story. Make up something, tell him. Because him love watching too, you know. So make sure you don't tell him where you're going, you know. And you don't know where you're going, you know. You hear me say?
Hold on.
Me.
You don't know name, man. Me they come then.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, man. Good afternoon, man. What going on?
Imagine, your man they are foreign and you don't mess with our sister.
My imagination is not so strong. What you mean say now? How come that involved now you look a child? You must say to you now, I don't care what you imagine about. You can go one side and imagine. That I can't, you're not coming over?
I'm going to tell the sister, I'm going to tell the woman.
What you say now?
I say I'm going to tell the woman.
Hey, you don't have no visa, you know. So you can't tell her she's foreign and you don't have her number. So that's impossible. So I have no time for you right now. Maybe I will somewhere say I can't. Don't do that again. Do not disturb this door, yeah? No, not panic and it's something important that the house are burned down or something like that. Do not come back here, son. You hear me? Go and find something do. I'm not understand for you. Look up.
I that with no man.
You know, me not have no time for you. So go and go piece your bed. You hear?
You're alright.
You must be for last night.
Babes, you know what me have to do?
Hello.
You have to take away a little girl. Girl get too bright, babes.
What you tell me say you have to give more money.
Babes, you have a kidnap a girl. He get too bright and stink now. He demands too much. And about how he go leak with secret. How she do that? I mean, sure my sister kill?
Yo. But no here. No. Burn it up. Yeah, man. So, we are now there's money. But different from that now. What may I say to you now?
It's a tricky situation, you know. It's a tricky little thing. Kidnapping her at the time. She got to tell her sister, but me think said I believe her. You know what I mean? She'd have more to believe you than she. But she seems like you kidnap her, you can't let her go.
No, maybe.
And me just seen father come and come ask me about her. And gone back around her room. You understand? You know,
Anyway, BS, me have a plan. Me think your work.
Anyway, well, do we have to do? But me there one little time, father, I go check you know. I'm walking the place. You know, you can't cover you, you cover your room. The man will look for you. Over there.
Me call him back in later.
Alright.
We'll see, shall we start here?
I take a break, we go up on the work today. Yeah, for me second, I know not come out of coma yet. Alright. Ah.
Where are you from?
Where are you over here, so? Where are you over here, so? What are you doing over here, so? I got something ready to know. Where are you, so?
No, my sister man. Where problem? Stop watching me.
No, that's all fishing. Your sister man, but we understand the sister man, but you know, for the in there. Your sister got a foreign.
Stop her.
Hold on. Smell fishy.
I'm cooking fish soup.
No, sound like you're asleep with your sister man. Who you are cooking soup for? Feeling too?
Yes, we kind of there. So my sister said we must take care of my sister man. My sister said we must take care of him.
Yeah, and she said if you take care of him, if you sleep with him.
Hey, you see me asleep now, man? You catch me in no bed? Don't tell no lie for me.
Right now, if you want to sleep with the whole universe, I don't business. Right now, my daughter, you can't find the daughter. 3 days now. We don't see she come here. So, you better check on her mother and come back. Because we can't take it no more. Anyway, well, cook your soup for your sister, man. I mean your man.
Send me.
Well, cook your soup for your sister, man. I mean your man.
Some 8 years man, no one day can find a daughter. Look where you cost me, eh? Look where you make me have to do now. I have to kidnap you. Police here.
No, pull no.
Girl, I'm cut your throat. Ain't look for me. Police.
Me not pull nothing. I got me.
Girl, pull the phone. Pull the phone.
Me not pulling nothing.
Girl, I'm saying pull the phone. Eh? They give me 200,000. I can't. Hey, girl, not rap with me now. Pull the phone. Sure, so you think me joke? Eh? Look how much money me give you. And you still want blackmail me, girl? I see how wicked? Now cut your throat in a man.
Even if you kill me alive, I'm gonna be a living hell.
Shut up. Listen,
You're gonna regret this.
Let me tell you something. Take out that clothes. Look. Watch what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna video now. You naked and I'm gonna have your phone and see if you go tell anybody right now kill you, clean up political, you know. Eh? After I give you 200,000, you still come back one more girl. I see
where fuck your sister, man.
Come on, me nothing else. Me nothing else. Eh? Me nothing else. Me can't come here.
What you want now? What you want?
Listen to me. Right now, that's stress. You have my daughter here? Or she not there? Because 3 days now, me can't see her.
What I mean by my daughter there? She leave for a week so she go you. So what I mean when she there? Make sure it's not miss my daughter me see no. Cause if that's the case, I go find my daughter give me. And from the time she leave, I just 1 or 2 times she come to come look for me. You come talk about with daughter there, whatever be the case. I don't know what she there. Your place she gone. So find my daughter, give me. Sure.
You want to tell me, say, you don't see her in a 3 days time, 3 days gone, 3 days, you want to tell me, say, you don't see her that you are second? That's impossible. Yeah, man, you try to compete from me fully, you know. Man, you are trying that, but you try to find out in your house where your house empty. You probably nice house. What you call it? Look where you come. People rent house. People rent house. So you maintain this, by the way. How you maintain this? The same thing when you do found the first time? Tell me. How you maintain it? How much money really I make money? My God. Come on, man. You know what? We don't have much to do.
She broke your foot when you come out. You're lucky. Just make sure you say, find my daughter, give me. Oh.
Come here, look back up, so.
Why, rough. You don't say my daughter, my grandma just come from. And she said she not see her none of that 3 days them since she missed her. But I'm just go to the station and report this. Because God knows me, man. I don't think we can sleep.
Calm down. You don't have to go to no station. Remember, say the new generation of people, you know. They don't know man that, you know, they are left there yard for 1 week and a man yard. You don't know that? A young girl, them, they want body enough from the young.
Because this little girl, you know, we know say no bad like that. And if she even have a man, she not go sleep out. We just not trust the feelings of what happen. You don't even understand right now, you know. You don't even understand. Sometimes people might feel I'm careless, but I'm not careless. We rent the 2 rooms and just a support her. So I expect she to do that. I can't run that shit on it. I'm sure of that.
You know, see the young girl nowadays, they want to take bull from the young. You don't know that? You're supposed to know that. So you might have gone to one man yard. So you can't fret up yourself and say you go to station. Henry, don't fret up yourself, right? Right now you out, maybe in their man yard, happy and a laugh. You don't know that? You're supposed to know that.
Well, I understand about the taking a bull part. But even if she take bull, I know my daughter now going to sleep out. That is the point. You know, she reach age where you can go take him bull. But you know, reach age where you can go sleep out. So I expect that. I mean, a business what you want to do. So let's go to about them, a young girl, I want generation about them bull. If you want to take him bull, I'm pregnant, but then come in my house. Because that is one thing we don't pick up with. Nobody under 18, a matter of fact 21, now I'm going to breed and come to my house and feel me I go mind them. My law is 21 because when you touch 18 and leave school, you still don't have nothing yet. When I reach 21, that time they will know, say, you're going to find out, say, life really hard. Because at that age, young girls don't understand nothing. If we learn, as a matter of fact, you have to go to Ghana station, me have to go to station. If I hear people, you don't understand. So you know.
Wait, the dog go to station. I bet you, say by end of night he show up.
Well, if he show up, but we still go to station. I be the father I should be. The father I should be. Right now, I put on smoking. As much as the cigarette in my ears, yes, so I put on smoking. I dash the light down the road. So you hear what me say now? Don't stop me, you know. If I hear, put yourself in my shoes. If I hear picnic, where you don't know what station, although the police them don't the work list, because they want to tell about 72 hours before we can file a report. Me not wait on that. If me go down there and tell me that, I go dig up some gun and go look for my daughter.
You go come back?
I hope so.
Look, girl, tell me, you deserve a chance to let her go? No? You did that, when you did that blackmail me out here so I sit down and you see me about my weed good and contented, did you think if me deserve a chance, No, you say you want your 200,000 and you want 100,000. Eh? You remember? You take the money. Where you bring the money, girl? You know hard work for that 200,000 eh? Anyway. Pull for your phone. Pull your phone. Pull it. You see this time, I think they play with it this time. Me, I make sure everything clear out of this phone myself. You know what? Check out my phone now. Right? Karma is real. You think not finish time to blackmail you could dry head eh? You think me like you're stinking pooper? Tell me a deepy secret you have. Right now. Right now. Mr. Tell me a deepy secret what you have.
I never did want to tell her, but fine. What more? Get like over outside this place here. I needed cause the fire.
Which fire?
I needed cause the fire when my stepmother and stepsister get burned.
Look in the camera. This is evidence. You think you come blackmail nobody again? Like when you blackmail me? You see, if you think you're bad, blackmail nobody else. As you're going to release a tape here. What shows you bound down? That the story is too short. Tell me more.
My father, since daddy and mommy break up, daddy they talk to this woman, the so-called stepmother. She did have a daughter and I never like none of the two of them. Them just make my life a living hell since they moved in at my father's house. So, I set the house afire. And then I freaking like me never do it.
I come for like you know bad girl. I have skeleton in your shadow in your closet too. After you really blackmail me, look at my face. And take me 200,000 and you burn down house. Sorry you. You see if you ever look girl. You see if you ever think you're bad, say nothing to nobody. Because it's when me take you away this time, cut me a cut your throat. You hear that? Me think me will give you a chance. Me will give you a chance. I'll make you leave. You hear? But I see if you ever think you're bad, send it to your police or your father and see if me not look for the video. Are you that attack say you burn down house? You know how much you in a prison you can get for this? You think them will lock up me? Because you blackmail me. And you take me 200,000. You're a wicked little pick me, you. Satan in you. You're a Satan pick me. See me like you, papa? Every night you watch me. I say you wicked. I go like you a bad girl. Girl. So you have skeleton in you. Make you have a sleep with me rasta man in peace. I'll come love him. I'm going to sleep with oh God. You just watch me so. You might have watch me, you know. And last time you wanted to pick up watch me, you know. I'll be great my pedos. Cut your throat and lift you over here. You hear me say though? You see if you tell nobody this video, me I go and station with it. You hear me say? Get up. See, come on. You hear me say no? You see if you tell your father, remember say me have a video in my phone. You hear that? Go on.
Hello.
Yeah, call me and listen what me like me there. No, listen me I say no. Me nah no love for you. Half a year do me, you go sex with boy, me nah no love for you. By the way, you can't call me in late time because me there run woman. You see me? So you can't do them.
Hello. Miss, hello. Let me talk to her again. Hello. What you mean who me? Hello. The man don't want you, the man left you already, the man want me, no want you. Shut it, let me talk to happiness. Look here. Yeah, the man left and I decided. Me take over. If you got me, hey, make it was not to you. Turn around.
Yo, come on.
Me not even phone as an excuse. Girl. Me not trying to worry about no man. The man left you. The man left and I decided. Then I go do what you have to do. Right. By the way, block our number.
Finish here now.
Block our number.
Finish here now.
Don't answer. Never answer.
Alright, can't continue with that.
Hello? Yeah, good night. Yeah, this is the police. Not the police station, but yeah, it's a private patrol. Good night.
Oh, okay. Anyway, sir, police information here.
Can you say that again?
I have some valid information for you.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So, you remember the case for boy business, right?
Yeah.
Where man boy
Attempt for murder, yeah.
yeah. But no one who do it.
You know who do it?
Yeah.
Alright, talk to me.
Right, sir. Let me tell you how it goes. One boy when he Puppy Dan, as an Indian.
Puppy Dan.
It comes around and through bush can and stuff.
Through.
And him licking Mr. about it because he do it already one time. Him and one woman was did in an altercation and the boy mixing himself with the woman and
yeah.
the boy licked down the boy for it.
So Puppy Dan.
Yes.
So Froome.
Mm-hmm.
Which house? You know which house exactly?
Right now in their vineyard. Right now in there our one where they live because of the road, let me tell you. They are one green and white concrete house where you get black. It's the after part of the bush.
Yeah. On the left hand side, coming from the off of the main, or the right hand side?
On the left hand side, sir.
Green and white?
Yes, green and white house. On the right hand, you probably see one little puppy or something in there, yeah.
Alright, say no more. Thanks for the heads up.
Sir, me know my language, right?
No, you don't have to worry about that. Nothing I go leak to you. As a matter of fact, the only thing I go do with the phone number right now is just write it down. No, man. Me not mention nothing to him. Me not make him know where I get to lead from. You understand what I mean? Yeah. But me just write down your number just here.
Yeah, alright.
Alright, have a good night.
Me not believe say him knock up boy and put boy in a coma. Me not believe that. Nobody can tell me that. What you say?
Yeah, something to tell you.
You have to tell me.
I always say Ronnie. There's something to tell you.
I don't know.
You know who put boy in a coma?
What? Get them sister come. Hey sis. What one?
Papa speaker, you already hear one?
Right now I don't have a good time, you know. Then just lock up Britney man, you know.
For what?
Then I say him kill boy, which me not think so.
I say boy, you know.
Then I say him put boy pussy in a coma. Then I say him put boy in a coma. And pussy in a coma out.
Anyway, another me call of it tell you. You know say me I come down soon.
Oh, the good news, girl. Yeah, can I see them?
Of course. But me not tell you when me I come exactly, but you're so to me.
Make sure you can see them when you have coffee, you know.
I'm sitting them for me.
I'm them for Britney.
Brittany.
Right now, she don't feel good. When the police just lock up her, man.
Me know that time me start asking her.
This year.
Can't talk right now, me talk to you later.
Then I say, I'm sorry, I hope everything comes through here. I'll get them later.
Kiss me, yeah. I'm serious about what you say.
Baby, don't worry, we'll get you it. Alright, are you here, sis? Oh, God. Girl, we'll get him back. Girl, we'll get him back. Anyway, we're dancing on boy.
No.
You mean nothing? You can't know something about boy and make police lock up your man.
I told me they make.
What mean not you can make? Don't play with the line of Brittany. If you know something, you know, you thought now before you get too late, you know.
No.
Brittany, if you know something.
I'm gonna say what I don't. Yeah, come on then.
I'm facing it. What butter? Definitely happy. Go on. Take time, I'm going to drop one.
I'm running.
Bye.
No, so I'm station now, but here for right now.
Pure. They say I'm not boy. Where? So you're going to be a for?
Yeah, so now my man will must go bail him. I'm 100% sure say that him do it. I don't want him.
Oh, you 100% sure say I don't do it?
I mean, I think we sleep good last night too. About everything will take place. Girl, I can't talk right now. Later, me and you talk. Make a good answer.
I'm not sure if you have a go.
How you come out? I don't know, just there coming out.
Self-bail me get any, you see me? Me along go hold a bait to car. Even get for no friction or nothing, you see me? My place still in there, you see me? All of my bridging them in there and them thing there, you see me? But no.
So nobody not checking your beat up here or nothing in there?
Nah man, on my place them man, all I worry them in them, you know, you see me?
Let's say so.
I'm gonna be there for saltness and all still, but no.
Alright then, so you go look for me later?
Yeah man, I just the door make you know some father side. I check in, you see me?
Alright.
Alright, later.
Later.
I go come play football later.
That'd be nice.
Boy. God no. I tell you youth. You know deep down in yourself, you know, say, and I'm lick you down, you know. You see me? All one of you tell the police, you know. But a jail me I come from. Last night police locked me up. Come take me out of the house. You see me? See how me knock you out. Poor me no do nothing. You see me? God know you. Me are the real virgin. You see me? You take me woman from me. I mean my ex, cause me and her left her now. You see me? Sex her way. You see me? So comes me in a fall and a fight. But the fight that me and you have, I think that one was good because I find one nice black girl. You see me? And you're supposed to know who too. Because she come party fight. You see me? Brittany me I talk about. The fight mood have that the girl. You see me? God know youth. Oh boy. I just well want to find out who there is still, you see me? Although me and a friend from what happened, but I still have to come show my respect, you see me? And the boy didn't lock me up last night, youth, for me not do. Really feel hurt, youth. Just have come out of jail. More people show to me general, you see me? Better days. Just up yourself. Boy.
Brittany.
Good morning. How you be?
I'm a boy.
Which boy that day? Are you? Did that come over?
Yeah, me just come out. Break it there.
Come.
Okay, break it.
I think you did or something with a coma.
That's good.
No. No, what is it? Brittany!
Yo.
That was a surprise.
Surprise. How are that? Why? How are
My good man just speak about the coma. Say me I come down here.
So you're good?
Talk it up. You afraid of Brittany? You know how hard you know?
No, none of that. But anyways,
you give me a shock of my life.
take care.
I'm fine, I'm good.
But you know, say, why you don't know, say, you're not going to do it.
It's alright. Yo, Puppy Dan. Guess who say come here? When you boy, you remember boy? Him same one. Yeah, come up here, tap up. Say him want to see Brittany. Yeah, but hold on there. Hold on. Calm down. Listen to me I say first. Listen to me. So, now you get locked up for him. And he out back, right? Exactly. So he needs to say you do nothing to him. No, listen to me I say. Me needs to say I do lick him and make him go in a coma or whatever happen. Listen to me. Yes. Exactly. So you see, if you make sure that you do nothing to him, you know. Yes, if you do nothing to him, you hide. But if you know say you don't do nothing to him, you can't stay.
Right now, I'm in the house here, I talk to Brittany. We let them round here. I don't know what them I talk about because I don't want nobody see me and watch them. Boy, where you get locked up for? Him. And I lie me at you come right now, come see for yourself. Me not go turn up and watch nobody. I told me. Alright. Yes, him same one.
Yet? What do you mean yet? So you plan to tell people? Look here, a mistake everything happen by. And of his spite, and of a purpose. You run up on me, you frighten me, if you see somebody can't do me something. So me just fling back my hands and they catch you. I'm not do it for spite, I'm really sorry about that, but I beg you please don't tell nobody.
No matter about it yet, what me say, let's see it alone, but me I think about it, me I say, me forgive you, right? Me not gonna really tell nobody to figure about that, still, figure about that, me not tell nobody, you see me? Cause me have routines here, I forgive you, me not tell nobody about that. Can't figure about that, take that off your head, man, take that off your head. No about that, take that off your head, you're chill with that now still. Yeah, man. Where are you? Where am I doing? Check her for what? You're not something? You're not in a business? You're not something? Where am I doing? So you take my woman from me, my ex, my mean, and you come for the one here. What are you doing here? Yo, sit down. What do you mean you want to manage?
That's coming in a stop.
What am I doing here? Adapt me. What am I doing here? Yo, let's not play, brother.
Come here.
Hold, wait.
Look here. Look here.
Wow.
Come here now. Sit down. Sit down.
Little bit.
Sit down now. Stop now. Bill.
Good. Come
here.
Move it. You know, put that up on my boy.
Stop now. Look here.
Listen. I'll come back and lie to you.
So why you shoot me?
Yo, let me tell you this. Me rent your woman round there, so I rent here, so him walk here. Him have all right to come here. You have no right to beat him.
What am I doing here?
I don't want me. I brought him.
No, you want him to sit down yourself.
I brought him. He come to and then walk up.
No, you want him to sit down yourself.
He come and
come on.
Hey, what your wall can't hold one hook something. Your wall can't hold one something. What you need to do something? Well, the boy from the Jamaica, the man. And that's why we have to put out to me one. God.
Yes. One people, but hold on, let me talk to you. Like how that man there decides that he's fully done with me. You understand?
That I had a man.
Like he's fully done with me and everything, and like when me and you rock fan when I did the fear through everything that you got through and something. But we just make it official and done, you know what I mean?
Oh, maybe just there and done.
Yeah, maybe just there and done. Kind of make the sense we me did they go back at him and everything keep on around me. You understand? And I don't know about you and no woman, so right now it makes sense.
So unreasonable. It's unreasonable.
Yeah. But hold on. More peace. So I'm gonna go around there so.
Alright, now we find you.
Yeah.
Brandon! Brandon! Your sister come! Brandon! Brandon, oi! Yeah, there. She there, you say go.
No.
Brandon! Your sister come!
There you go.
No,
Your
sister
sister first. If you check.
Blood come first!
Yeah, surprise my boyfriend.
Surprise him later, no?
No.
Brandon!
You think say I come?
Don't forget to me come. We can surprise you.
I cheat, I think say me I cheat, I say I come.
So, yeah, eat sweets now.
Yeah, man. Fire friend Niger, I feel
What?
tired. I work on late last night. Because I have to clean up some place for somebody. They come from find some there. Hold power. Say good now.
Yeah, I'm going to just... Let's look up, man. Say me to my sister.
Oh, hold the power.
Try not to say miss.
Hi, sis.
Where you going? Tell her here. She call you.
Me in her bathroom.
Oh, so seems like your boyfriend they do.
Yeah.
Make her suck out.
I agree, man. Oh yeah, dear, sir. You know, say, well, I'm here and they walk come on and say she want people, so she can't get people to come back.
Yeah, who?
Alian.
So, brother, you still interfere with her?
Brother, say
you don't get something from her. What more you want?
Brother, you don't find woman, brother. You want can manage to woman satisfy.
Yeah, tell me about you want can manage to
satisfy, brother. Satisfy, you have to satisfy, brother.
Brother, you tell me about satisfy. You're very unfair. Because you come on me yard, take my woman from me. You see me? And you say me and your friend.
Alright, listen. Seems as how you attack me boy. Take back your old man and give me Britney because I know Britney for me. I don't want your old man there.
It come like you want me shot your box in your face.
Take back your woman daddy and
take back with your man. You hear that?
I know she before she.
Britney, I'm in love of my life, boy. You hear that, boy? Hello, don't do that.
What you there start that, boy?
Don't do that.
I hear my
Heal who?
Take back with all man.
Take back with all man.
No, I sleep my mouth but never that myself.
After you in a coma, and me come down there, come start you out all in a coma when you are dead. Me still a deal with your proper. You come bright with me, tell him to take me back.
Hello, calm down. So that I go on. All when in a coma. You're still in a business with him and then I call on my phone and they tell me about your warm up.
No, me call on your phone before me even start back visit him and say, you tell me how much me feel leave you alone this story. Where you come and come fight
and you want me give you a chance and him still in a business.
Where
you want
to
take me and
you not done with me. But at the end of the day, who you are bright with?
You want to take me and
don't make that happen again.
I never that me mean.
You get a box in your face.
Another try.
You get here.
You take one by your business. Go on to your Britney. You must not find where you're finding a me.
You know done here. You know done here.
Go on to your Britney.
You know done here.
Are you going here gonna make?
You know done here.
Make that happen again. Bow, take back what? Don't touch me.
This is where you come up to me.
Alright, all the one little suitcase we come here with today. Because I send over things and I send over some barrel and suitcase and something before I come out to them, before I even ready to come out. And I got this morning and check for them and them and tell me foolish I made because I found last night I come in on their hotel. Yeah, their hotel because it is late so I couldn't get to come up. I'm afraid. You know that. I carry some things to Brittany, some things to you and some things to my man.
Love that.
How we are gonna hire heels?
Girl, me a party later, me a decorate up, but you know, later me gonna step out for them. Can't make heels look so plain. So it is.
The time say you must watch your man, make sure I watch him. And make a report to tell you, say, I'm not see no woman go over there. I'm very loyal to your girl. The whole time.
Loyal.
The whole time, you're gone, you just talk about you. You say, Marga down.
You look on him still so much, we just don't hurry to come catch up. So we miss. You don't catch her.
You don't miss nothing.
You mean that you hurry to come catch her, you don't catch her.
What?
I just don't catch her. Let's say some around you.
I take Britney serious, sis.
Anyway, how you and your boyfriend? Oh yeah, your boyfriend. Yeah, my boyfriend. Good. You have no boyfriend?
No, only one man that talk about me and him over the weekend. I'm not going to work.
Oh, then if it's true.
Hey, girl.
One man's the peanut, one man brother.
So. See, the pimp in our mind.
Anyway, I go back to my man, yeah?
Yeah, go on.
A long time I don't see him. But you're man, yeah? You're a good man, you're a loyal man.
Come back.
Yeah, sister, man. I should have
checked. No, sister. Don't tell no like for me. The man want me. But come nice.
But you want to take a couple of weeks if you never call you without I get catch.
Thumbs up.
Come give me a thumbs up, move.
Cook soup, don't love that. Yes, girl, you know soup to eat.
Yeah?
Soup, but you know still.
So now they make a go munch for anyway.
Girl, I say me know say soup mix up the road, let's talk about it. But here I have one idea. I want to put his phone behind the setting. But you are do it because they always expect me I go do something. You understand?
All con reca. No food. I like to do it.
What's the problem?
Nothing. I want someone to come to my father's house.
Nobody just come on.
Only the father.
Why you talking, you know?
Look at me, I try to do it in a cook food.
Hello. Tell me about chance. Who cooks every day in this house?
Who feed the little girl?
No, you not feed your father, they feed you the bride.
But who cook food and you
Who
cook when I father is not here?
Hello, Aladdin, me cook food. Imani pa.
Have a good day.
Imani pa come and come them out the food and the day.
Let everyone on this one then cook this service.
It's all the left here and she and I pack on me out.
Look how my soup.
I'm one of them is no.
Look how my soup so nutritious. No, I'm playing with food earlier. Girl, where are you today?
Tell them story skills.
Long story.
I don't feel good.
Someone can feel good until.
Tell the truth.
I never breathe, you know.
Girl, I think you read out of mouth.
Yeah, true. Where am I put your out of your mouth? Breathe, don't do this to me. Yeah, breathe. God. You have to my heart and I breathe.
But I know that I hate you had to stay I know puppy me I breathe from. And the boss said they are the new boss.
How puppy I gonna feel?
What? So Lord, this was my day here and come on, yeah.
So you need that all over your time say you beat for your boss. Girl, you don't know what you're going to do.
Girl, we can't just
Me
tell
not-
you say I'm beating. You help me tell you.
Oh, yeah, you know. Yeah, you.
Brownie, you come from far, Brownie.
You need to tell her to come down here, come breathe, Brittany. Jesus Christ.
Brownie, yeah, you come from far. Just, you don't have to do this, girl.
Why you don't use protection, girl?
Forget people around the side here. Forget people around the side here, business. You can't roll on your vice. Girl, may I come from far, as I said before. Brownie,
Let her for me, Brittany.
you know, say if I did you, mother. No, I want something.
Brittany, you broke my mood. Hmm?
Yeah, no, so
You can't see me come down here and we didn't even start making no money yet. And you got to tell me, you know, Pampers and feeding here.
Girl, they man have money.
So who tell us say I got money beat me? You know what the rich man I think?
Yeah.
Girl, so we can make one good money off of them, you know? Because me know so they after they out there they talk something.
Yeah, man, and I can't get to my man.
Of course, you know help me. No, me not say so.
Right then.
Yeah. Say good though.
Yeah, man.
Okay. How your mother? A long time I not hear from her, you know.
She alright, you know.
You know the rich man I think post puppy find out no what got me. A big wire go bring. Big wire go bring Brittany. You think about
Girl.
it. You think.
But in cafe, say, just see you. Girl, I feel puppy pitting them since that I want to hear.
Suppose what man look?
The man,
In brown or in black?
you don't even know that.
So when the picnic
I don't want to say
when the
cute.
picnic born Brittany, the proof is going to be the picnic. You idiot. You're supposed to think, girl. And then I bring those when they talk about the man have money. But post
Every pit them banana favor puppy. I'm going to tell him say my great grandfather and great grandmother and son in look. So you take a look off of them. You know if you tell lie.
So how you know say the man have a woman? And you go lead up with the man.
Girl, I never dare really think about that. The man too nice and think about that, right? You know.
As I talk about that, me I can go back over auntie, you know.
Alright. Be safe on the road.
Yeah, man.
Me tell how you go.
Yeah.
Girl, me I come grown so I lay down.
But you know, you make it true.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you back. You know that.
Let's make it true, guys. I must say, you're my best friend.
Yeah. You want to just sleep, yeah, man.
Alright.
Me happy for you still. You know that.
Thank you.
A tough love me out, but it's not you, but I'm a girl. They come like I'm a sister.
Girl, we never really did think about that. Cause the boy have a buzz in it. Tell you.
She always just took for Robert.
Girl, oh girl, that not good. Me there say, this a work nice, you see?
Not too. It's not a man who is able to put
You know, puppy me a break for. I'm a boss, so they at work. The new one, I tell us a cute and one bag.
Me need to have come down here come breed Brittany.
Hello.
We never come down here with no picnic.
You forget people them on the side your business. You can't roll on your vice. Girl, they are come from far.
Anything sweeter or sour? Hello, good night.
Good night.
Yeah, you know, so we have some information for your girlfriend. If you don't like to hear, just send me $3,000 credits. I'm gonna send you the voice note them.
Before I go into that conversation, who am I speaking to?
Don't worry about that. Send the $3,000 credits if you would like some information on the girlfriend. Okay, sir?
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Send it to this number, right?
Yes.
Alright, I'm gonna send it now.
Okay, great. Ooh, great. You actually mean business. Okay. Sent.
Lucky girl.
Hold on.
I have to talk to you about oil.
I don't know why you behave like that. So what you
So don't listen.
why you want so aggressive?
Me ask you one question. Who differently from me have?
You alone.
Yes, I like.
So
What is
that-
all the scene?
what that
What is
from?
all the scene?
I know that. I hate. You had to see. I know. Puppy me a breed from.
No, you there on the phone. What you mean now?
So wait there. Where you going so far? No mind some me want you. I mean like get away. Push it.
You are wrong, that girl.
No. Go over this one.
I want to know.
You know what's that next man, the girl make breed out?
Daddy, I saw the woman in the class that really can't fight. You have to put on your shoe. Oh, your shoe's gone. Take on my phone. Wanna calm down? I can't want to phone up with me, you know. It can't be your opinion. I next man, so when you be a very seven until the film come out. Mama, you know, you know, produce much excitement, you know. It's a good thing, sir. The landlord not there, and he knows that, and they're going to tell him, so careful, because we can't marry him, so. Lock the door.
Not bad. Wait, man, not bad. I'm gonna pick me. Who pick me? You sure? No. No, one new boss at work. One cute man.
Listen to me. Man, love you know. It's every fist my fist. I love my fist, you know. I love connection that. What you mean say? And if you're pregnant for true, do the right thing and can people come. When they don't know rough about it, because hello, most of your Jamaica are jacket.
But me and him never fight him, I don't know what.
So you're jacket?
Most of your jacket here. We don't know really. We don't know. But anyway, where you do wrong?
Come on, what I done?
We get some rest. But where friend, where's sister then? From what is we not say I should not there. From there, but not
I can't tell her because she's very secretive.
one Carol, help for Carol.
Why don't you
If you feel in your belly, can't go to a doctor. If you start bleed, you call and carry a doctor. That's what you forget to do.
It's Miss Alia for you, child. And you're too enough. I bet if it's 1 year old. It's enough picnic. Look at your mom, Miss Alia. 1 year old.
Daddy, me say if you ever see you in the house. If you see you in the house, Daddy, you see how the fat man him too? They pop down in here. You want to pop down. If you ever see you in here, no. If you ever see Daddy, Daddy, they pop down here. All the fat man, you need to get him out of here, you know. Hello. Good night again. Talk more 5 for 1 week more talk to you about something. Daddy, this don't call you back.
Let me just so wicked and lie.
Wanna pop down my father once back?
I say you come out to come see it?
Yes.
I come out to...
If you ever leave.
Get up and
Put them back.
put them back.
back. Tell me father cry.
All of them too. Hurry up. Put them back. But daddy this, daddy that. And we are great with what about the fat one do. You think me a size for your fat? We are bright.
I want them back. I want them for you.
Father can't do me now. You think your father can come cut me short? Put them back.
Watch, we can let it go.
We can let it go. And I can't be father. Hurry up.
We can let it go. Not gonna feel out here. We can let it go.
That's the next one. Watch it. Room. And give me phone.
Get it by.
Give me phone.
No.
Room. Maybe don't know long talking with room. It's the ball hard.
Brittany, you know say, you know you bash me, but you know say I said to my sister man do.
What?
Brittany, I do that alone.
What?
You know, you could nosy girl, the landlord daughter, you love every meat. You can't make me sleep with the Rasta in a piece.
What?
I'm like Rasta, you know. You know, my sister having to do with him. Can't make me have a good night rest with him. Every minute the girl I watch with. So you know me have to do this of a kidnap a little girl.
So where there? All along when the pitney missing, I take away people in pitney. I don't to sell that brownie, you know.
Girl, we could do no better. The girl did not check my life. You have video of me come out time and do. What did you do? Me if you sit down and make him go make show my sister say me sleep with him man. Girl.
Cut over that brownie. I not judge you because me have something bigger. Have a bigger secret. Which me never did want to tell about. They tell me yours, I'm going to tell them mine. You see boy, I'm knock him out. But I don't know if it's tight. Me I walk on the road and me first feel somebody run up on me and come grab me so. Somebody just swing my hand so an accident and he just drop a licking head on the stone. And I shake him and I say, boy, this, that. As we feel good, now you know responsible, just run off and leave him. I couldn't talk about that, they would have locked me up. But like when you go there now and you come out of prison, matter what prison, come out of hospital, out of coma, that's why I tell you. Cut over that bro, I'm not judge you because me have something bigger. Have a bigger secret, which I never did want to tell about. They tell me yours, I'm going to tell them mine. You see boy, I'm knock him out. But I don't know if it's tight. Me I walk on the road and me first feel somebody run up on me and come grab me so. Somebody just swing my hand so an accident and he just drop a licking head on the stone. And I shake him and I say, boy, this, that. As we feel good, now you know responsible, just run off and leave him. I couldn't talk about that, they would have locked me up. But like when you go there now and you come out of prison, matter what prison, come out of hospital, out of coma, that's why I tell you.
Girl, are you really knock him out? Brittany, I see you cool. I turn up and watch police come take away your man. You want to be like a you. But anyways, remember saying no dead. I mistake that. I don't mean like him from morning neither. Because I know say you have your man and you not have fishy around you. I don't like you little blackboard. Alright. Me know for your secret and you know for me. So just make your rest right here. So just forget about it. Girl.
About everything. Nobody know about
Girl.
Best friend.
How we are come from? Far we are come from. So mama, what go on with the puppy situation right now?
To tell you the truth, you know, me, I go live for both of them because I do not have 4 pitney. I go stop go to work. I don't want puppy text me or call me when I pitney born. I just man pitney. I stop work. I don't do the 2 of them. I don't nothing with none of them.
I don't come beside because it's too much. Girl, me and friend for a long time, no. It trust me. I know what you can do, you know. What? You got me tell you. You make you have money. Good money, me tell you about. They want to tell you about. Since we start leak out them secret, let me tell you now. It's like, you know, OnlyFans.
Yeah, me know OnlyFans.
I ain't me doing them. And that's what I say, you know. Before I start make up a same so, before I say anything bad, I me do. Remember say, you know, you see him every day, me cock up in here, and I have to go to work or nothing. I'm still not eat and parent.
Brownie, so you tell me, say, me you're free. And I'm a big secret you keep from me.
And I'm not telling you, me do that too, that the girl thing. It's not secret, I'm a personal life. I know why you look for me no way like me.
But me you're free, me not look for you no way.
So, if you want to do it, we can settle it for you. Right? You don't have to really do no or I don't. Hold on.
Anyway, me think about it.
Think about it because
me think about it. I'm not really sure if I want to do this man, the freaking never more load of free. Well, now think about it. Yeah?
make sure I think about it, you know.
I'm going to leave the work, I'm not staying there because
so if you left your work, wait, if you left your work, you have to go have a work, right?
Yeah.
Because me alone now pay for no rent your sign up.
So when the belly are grown, I can't take all the fancy relation.
After you have it, you know, me cover. Me not come saying, man, me cover everything, you know, but after you have it, you must say, you go on things, you see me? So think about it, me girl. Right now, me have one client, if you go pan, so I've got this, look here. Sexy, no?
Hello, male species. You know, we as men, we take pride in our sexual abilities and often please a woman. But from lately, no matter where you are, you just not and panny long. No matter how you put sauce up in your back, pan the girl didn't chuck your still trap. Know yourself. Lion paw bedroom tonic is here to save it up. Me tell you now. We talk about prolonged erections so you can last longer panny. Delay ejaculation, we are talk about boost testosterone and everything there, you know. And guess what though? It increase your sperm count, you know. But you know, daddy, now make being lame in the bedroom become a habit. Walk with a lion paw bedroom tonic. So when you link a cat here, no fi panic. Lion paw meal tonic specially formulated for male performance, stamina, energy and poor circulation and reproductive era. That means it help you kind of look nice when you go around and say, Jesus Christ, you can't do it nice. Can I pop in for a minute, yeah? Let's really talk about Dr. Jack Lion Paw Tonic. It's not necessarily if you're not really performing. I mean, sometimes you're not even emotionally into it, you know what I mean, tired and stressed. So it also increases your libido in men, you know what I mean? So it gives you that extra energy, that extra drive, yeah? You can find them at Instagram at Dr. Jack Lion Paw or call them right now in the UK and Jamaica for delivery, you know what I mean? One tablet, you know, taking 30 minutes before intercourse and you're good to go, yeah?
Yeah, man, so we open enjoy that a while ago and leave a comment, you know what I mean, as we go along. We change up something because we are create a flood. So you go expect more movie and we have some surprise and some prize for this year. Stay tuned, you know what I mean, we'll do some giveaway. We are going to shots too. So we are going to shots, look out for something will pop up in some area. We probably never said before. Stay tuned. We're going to ask some question and some question you can earn money on the spot. Alright, let's go.